How to make money while you sleep. If you think of all the richest people in the world, it's almost guaranteed they aren't out working for every dollar they make. In fact, most of the money made by the top 1% is likely made while they're asleep through passive income from their businesses working for them. You don't need to be a millionaire to replicate this yourself. All you need is one thing: the internet. The internet is a powerful place where lots of people make lots of money, and you can join these people in making money while doing absolutely nothing at all. And the best part, we are going to give you multiple different routes you can take to make your money while you sleep. Welcome to Top Marks. Today we are going through the best ways to make a passive income online, but before we continue, remember to subscribe and like the video so you are first to see our future videos and make money using our methods before everyone else. Now let's get into the video. Now some of you may be asking what passive income is, so let me tell you. Passive income, also known as unearned income, is income that can be earned automatically with minimal labor to earn or maintain. It can be a great way to help one generate extra cash flow, whether he or she is running a side hustle or just trying to get a little extra dough each month. The first way of making passive income I'd like to tell you about: affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing has some big potential for making pretty good cash without having to invest too much time or effort into it. You will need a website to attract visitors, which can be easy and free to set up if you look in the right places and attempt to convert them to paying customers. You don't need to make the sale, as you'll earn commission from the company offering the affiliate program for each sale that they make. There are many different types of affiliate programs for pretty much anything. For example, you can do an affiliate program from selling software to online casinos. Different programs will typically have different rules, so you'll want to check the ones that you are interested in to understand how much money you could really be making. This is one of the top methods of making passive income, as once you set up your website and have linked your affiliate program, you will start earning money. This can also be scaled into multiple websites with multiple affiliate links, which can make you serious money, as these big companies are willing to shell out money to you if you are attracting a lot of attention to them. The second source of passive income I'll be talking about is drop shipping. Drop shipping offers an easier way to make a name in the online retail business. You don't have to hold any stock. You simply take the order and let the manufacturer do the rest of the work. When it comes to shipping the order and worrying about inventory, you'll just have to pay the manufacturer the cost they charge for their product, but you'll keep the difference, earning you a nice commission. You will need to build an e-commerce website, which can be done easily with sites like WordPress. To maximize your sales, you will want to make sure you have a strong marketing plan with a strong enough advertising budget to make sure you can use different marketing channels to boost your sales numbers. So for example, let's say you find a nice hairbrush on AliExpress and it costs $4. You then go make a website for the hairbrush, but set the price to, let's say, $16. You will be making $12 for every sale. Your sales depend on how well your hairbrush is advertised, which can be through any medium such as Instagram or Facebook. This business can also be scaled with multiple products, but you don't necessarily have to make a new website for each product. As long as you pick products that are similar, you can have them all on the one website. Make sure to automate the process as well, so once someone orders from your website, you don't have to go and order the product from, for example, AliExpress. It just goes straight to them instead. Now the next way of making passive income is arguably the best for how easy it is, and how almost anyone can do it. Of course, it's to become an influencer. Influencers are typically social media royalty, who make money from the posts that they upload to their social media accounts. The amount of money you can make will depend on the amount of followers that you have on your social media accounts. The more followers you have, the more money you can make. A general rule of thumb is that you can make $10 for every 100 followers you have once you get past the 100,000 follower mark on an account. To be an influencer, you can pick any niche that you like. Anything from sports to food to even philosophy. The hardest part of this will be gaining the followers needed to really start making some decent money from doing this. Once you have the followers, it's just a matter of creating engaging content for your followers. It can be completely free to start because most, if not all, social media is generally free to start, and everyone nowadays has a camera in their pocket. These are some of, if not the best ways to make a passive income, and get you on your journey to make thousands if not millions while you sleep. That is all from me. Thanks for watching Top Marks. Remember to like and subscribe. Goodbye.